How does your microbiome affect your genetic health? Have you ever wondered how the tiny microbes living in your gut can impact your health? Your microbiome, which consists of trillions of microorganisms, plays a significant role in your genetic health. It interacts closely with your genetic makeup, influencing how your genes express traits related to health and disease. Let's start with how your genes shape your microbiome. Certain genetic variations can determine which microbes thrive in your gut. For instance, some people have genetic traits that allow them to digest lactose, which is the sugar found in milk. These individuals often have higher levels of beneficial bacteria, such as bifidobacteria, that help break down milk sugars. This shows that your genetics can help create a stable microbial community that adapts to your diet and environment. Now let's flip the script. The microbiome also affects your genetic health. It can modulate your immune responses and metabolic functions. Some genes related to immune function can influence the composition of your gut microbiome. If this balance is disrupted, it may lead to complex genetic disorders, including autoimmune diseases and inflammatory bowel conditions. In this way, the microbiome can mediate how genetic risks translate into actual health issues. Interestingly, while your genetics do play a role in shaping your microbiome, environmental factors like diet and lifestyle have an even stronger effect. This means that even if you have a genetic predisposition to certain microbiome profiles, your environment can modify these effects. For example, a diet rich in fiber can promote the growth of beneficial bacteria, potentially lowering disease risk. When considering hereditary health and complex genetic disorders, the microbiome's role becomes even more relevant. Family genetic testing can identify inherited variants that influence microbiome-related pathways. This information can help predict susceptibility to certain conditions. Moreover, interventions that target the microbiome, such as dietary changes, probiotics, or prebiotics, may help modify disease risk or severity in individuals with genetic predispositions. This means that understanding the relationship between your microbiome and genetics can lead to personalized prevention and treatment strategies. In essence, your microbiome and genetics are connected in a dynamic relationship. Genetics partly determine the composition of your microbiome, while the microbiome influences how genetic traits related to health are expressed. This interplay is particularly important in hereditary health, as it opens up new possibilities for tailored health strategies based on both genetic and microbial profiles.